Okay, so to continue with our accounts payable transaction exercise, after this AP voucher 1243 for ABC supplies has been paid, we want to take a look at how it would affect the various transactions once we post to the general ledger. Okay, so again, we're going to go into the GL module and post the AP entries. And again, we're going to use the same cutoff date and go ahead and post. Yes. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at the posted entries. Okay, we're going to go into, we're going to look at the general journal entries in details as far as what transpired, as far as with the payments, the check amount, and the discounts. Okay, so let's focus again on the okay, so for the transaction date of 12/19, okay, we have accounts payable. So in this case, it reduced because we made a payment. It reduced the accounts payable account by that amount that we paid. So we paid the full amount, but it split up into two separate transactions of debits and credits. Okay, so the first one here is for $247.80. As you recall, that was the amount of the check. Okay, so it shows the check number here too under the transaction notes. So that's how you can actually locate a particular payment reference by check number, is to use the set filter and set the transaction notes to contain CHK £, and then the check number that you're looking for. And so in this case, according to the hint here, a debit amount to the accounts payable account 2060 by that. So it would reduce the balance by $247.80. And at the same time, it reduces the checking account because we are paying out. You expect, when you pay somebody, you want to expect the balance to go down. In this case, your cash account or checking account of 1002 went down by $247.80. It did go down by $250 and 30 cents as the previous example, because we have discounts as well. It didn't take the full amount off the checking account. Instead, it took off $2.50 against the accounts payable, which is expected. And in this case, we have a miscellaneous income or discount. We have a discount account of 4001, but you can specify whatever. You may have a default discount allowances account. In this case, we just set it up to be 4001, but whatever the discount allowances account, the system would use against the other side of that transaction. So in this case, you have a $2.50 increase for this particular allowances, which is again expected. So this is the transactions that took place for an accounts payable payment using computer check, with the proper reduction of accounts payable balance, reduction of the checking account that was used to pay. But then this exercise, we have an extra set of transactions for the discounts. But typically, you don't have the discount because most people will pay just within the terms and not early. But if you want to take advantage of discounts, and that's what would happen with the discounts. Okay, and so as the other step involved, you do a final post to the general master file. So yes, preview, and clear. Okay, that's been clear. Okay.